Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Wall Street, this is crazy, guys. CPI inflation data has came in, and it came in way hotter than expected, guys. Just as what we was expecting, we told you guys if any, if it cooled down any, it just cooled down the slightest bit. But if not, it's still just as hot as it was before, guys. And that's exactly what's going on. Inflation is still soaring. We is now seeing, inflation soar to levels we ain't seen since 1981. So you already know, guys, it's getting crazier and crazier. And as the feds continue to aggressively try and shrink balance sheets, that could possibly turn us into a recession, and that's going to make matters even worse, guys. So like I say, we still got a little turbulence to go through. I can say the next few months, maybe the next 2 months or so, maybe the next 2 to 3 months, we'll be still going through, a lot of this up and down, a lot of choppiness, a lot of volatility. Today, it's been wild swings, guys. We had expected since the stock market sold off prior to CPI inflation data being reported, that on today we should see an increase in price action. That leave a lot of people shocked. Like, how inflation is steady soaring, but stocks is starting to go up. And the reason being is because once these stocks come down to the lowest of the lows, I mean, they already reached levels that a lot of people wouldn't have imagined. But as they continue to reach those lower levels, eventually Feds is going to lose out of steam. They got a 99.9% conviction rate. Whatever direction they want to send the market in, that's what direction it's going to go in, guys. But that 1% of the time, when it don't go in their direction or they favor, that's because they done drained out all their juice. That means you done beat it so badly, it done got beaten down so bad, only thing else left for you to do is kill it all the way dead, or it's going to do what it needs to do. Basically what I mean by that is, once stocks done fell from $400 a share down to $20 a share, eventually it can still go to 10, it can still go to 5, but they chances is running thinner and thinner, because millions of billionaires is looking at their opportunity as, okay, I see what you're seeing going on in the economy. I see inflation is still at all-time high. I see we haven't shrink balance sheets yet to help tame inflation. But these prices is too good to be true, and I can't miss this opportunity. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy now and load up big time, regardless of what's going on. And if it want to fall lower from 20 to 10, I'm gonna just buy even more, because I did my research. I did what I need to do. I did my complete outlook. I bought into a company that was recession proof. So even during the recession, it's still going to be demand in certain sectors. It's necessities that we're going to always need. Certain companies that's going to always thrive during the worst times, guys. So some of those companies are like Walmart. You're going to need Walmart. You're still going to need burgers and fries, McDonald's. These some of the companies that still perform well during recessions throughout research. So you already know, guys, like I say, you definitely want to be getting quality companies right now and taking crazy advantage, because these companies would not be this cheap for long, guys. And I'm talking now, you're able to get in and easily make 200%, 300% returns on your investment in a very short period of time, being for the fact that these stocks is way oversold. And whenever something is way oversold, they can jump 30-40% just like that. 50%, 100%. So you already know, guys, you definitely want to be up on game, prepared. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Dow Jones dives on hot inflation report. So the Dow Jones sold off sharply after a hotter than expected inflation report, the consumer price index, which came in immediately following Thursday's sell-off. So we already know, guys, everybody's still digesting the CPI inflation data report, but we is being hit very hard today. I also notice how AMC is holding up very steadily as the overall market is steady tumbling, guys. Not saying that they can't come down lower, but I love to see AMC hold its gains and drag a bit whenever the overall market is falling off, selling off sharply, guys. So that is a great sign. So you already know what to do, guys. Like I say, be smart through all this madness. Slow down on trading, doing a lot of call options and puts, because that will drain your account if you're not being meticulous about it and actually have the knowledge account to be able to make those strategic moves in a market like that. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.